Good morning, students. Today we'll see lesson number 4, adjectives, page number 32 and 33, learning with Ladybird. Here we will see the degrees of adjectives. Though we have already seen, okay, yet I have drawn a chart for you so that it becomes easier for all of us to understand whatever is there at page number 32 and 33. This degree is divided into 3: positive, comparative and superlative degree. So what are all these things? Okay, how do we understand? We can see here ER or THAN is added in the comparative degree, whereas in the superlative the and EST is added. So this is also one of the way to understand, okay, whether the word, okay, or whether the degrees are in comparative or in superlative. Let us take up the book now. We use comparative adjectives to compare two or more things. For example, the comparative of dirty is dirtier. So here you can see the comparative of dirty is dirtier. This Y is changed into I and we have added ER. Whereas in the superlative, okay, dirtiest, you see there, Y is changed into I and then added EST. We use superlative adjectives to compare three or more three things. For example, the comparative of adjective is dirtiest. When an adjective has 3 syllable or more, we make the comparative with more or less. Here I have written. So we make the comparative, okay, if an adjective has 3 or more syllable, then what do we use here? We use more or less in the comparative, whereas in the superlative degree, the most or the least is used in the superlative degree. But we need to understand, okay, what is syllable then? Okay, this also you can see from page number 32. What is a syllable? A syllable is a unit of one vowel sound in a word. So what is it? It is a unit of one vowel sound, okay, in a word. For example, you can see here big. So big is an example of what? One syllable. And then dirty. Here you have got how many syllables here? 2 syllables. Dirty has 2 syllables. Dirty. Then we see the beautiful, okay, beautiful has got 3 syllables. I have divided beau, then tea, then food. Okay, this is an example of 3 syllables. So as I've already told you, an adjective having 3 syllables or more, okay, what do we use? We use more or less. And in the superlative we use the most or the least. Hope I have made it clear to you. We will do the exercises from page number 33. Look and complete the sentences using comparative or the superlative degree. The first one, you see, it is already done. You can see the picture over there. Ship A, B and C. So let's see the first one. Ship A is bigger than ship B. Now we can write, okay, ship B is smaller. Ship B is smaller than ship A. Number 3, you see, ship A is the biggest. Ship A is the biggest. Next one, ship C is the smallest. So this way I ask you to do question number, the other side you can see there is 5, 6 and 7. Okay, these exercises are there. Please do them with the word fast and slow. Let us move on to question number 2. Rewrite the sentences using adjectives in the bracket with less. So with less we have to change them. Okay, so look at the board once more. I will do the first one is already done for us. I will do the second one for you. The pink skirt is more expensive than the yellow skirt. So here it is expansively is written there. We have to, okay, rewrite the sentences using the adjectives in the bracket with less. So we have to make use of this word less here. The yellow skirt is less expansive than the pink skirt. Let's look at the next one. My new book is more interesting than my old books. So what shall I write here? My old book is less interesting. Yeah, less interesting is there. Less interesting than my new books. Okay, so this way you will have to do the question number 3 also. I think dogs are more intelligent than cats. So what shall we write here? I think cats, okay, cats are less intelligent than dogs. So this way please write them down, and question number 3 you will have to answer on your own. So your homework, okay, to write in the copy. Okay, you will have to write in the copy exercise number 1, 2 and 3 in the copy. So please write all this, okay, 1, 2 and 3 in the copy. So far I have made it clear to you. If there are any kind of difficulties in understanding this, you may ask me. Thank you so much.